Welcome back. In this video, we're going to go over how to cancel subscriptions. I'm currently logged into the account settings page of the Support Me application. This service is called Support Auth Dev. This is a subscription service in the development environment. One thing to know before we get started, only account admins have the ability to cancel subscriptions. So if you had an application that has team plans, let's say organizations sign up to your platform, users in those accounts, regular users, cannot just come in or log into the account settings page and then begin to, manage subscriptions, cancel accounts, transfer licenses, and all the things that are possible within the managed subscriptions. Only admin users have this functionality turned on. So an admin user will simply navigate to the Manage Subscriptions tab. The first tab is the Cancel Subscriptions. All they will need to do is select the service, which is usually, you would usually only have one service here. There might be a case where you would have more than one, but for the most part, it should just be one. They will pick the plan that they want to filter by. As you can see, we have two users, each signed up to different plans. And because we have no service plan selected, both show up. But if we wanted to navigate or narrow down to a specific plan, then only users within that plan will show up. We could then cancel all, which basically terminates all the licenses that are filtered by this query. Or you could select and then cancel the selected subscriptions. So let's go ahead and do that. Just like that, with one click, the licenses have been canceled. If we then go back to our subscribed services, we can see that we now have one user signed up to the base plan and 0 users in our premium plan. If we switch to the subscriptions tab, we will see that we now have only one user in our account because we have just canceled the account of our second user. If we move to the subscriber action logs, we can see that our user here was unsubscribed. All right, that's it for this video. Hopefully your users are not churning, but if they were to churn, this is what it would look like. All right, that's it. See you in the next video.